Clean Professionals. We're here on a move-in cleaning. Let's make this house move-in ready. As you see, we got a lot of build up in the windows here on the counter and some vacuuming here. We actually cleaned and deodorizer these carpets, the ones on the first floor. So we are going to, we don't have to do the carpets here, obviously. We're gonna find the light here. Where's the light? So we got some cleaning of the mirrors we have to do. Look at the sinks. There's some cobwebs over here. Little spider, Charlotte's hanging out there. And we got the bathtub, of course. I'm gonna make sure we get that wiped down, sanitized, and scrubbed. So we got this vacuum in here. Baseboards are also included. And the door here, and all the doors. Pretty straightforward. This one isn't as bad as we normally get. They were doing some construction. This is like a flip. All right. Now let's get into the kitchen here. So you got some stuff hanging, free hanging. Side of this here, we're gonna grab the oven inside and out. Top, the cabinets, shelves here. All right, and refrigerator inside and out. All right, stay tuned. All right, we're all down the bathroom. Got the bedrooms. These window seals. Here we got the baseboards. All the windows. Got the doors. House is moved and ready. It's disinfected. It's in these bottles. All right, that's about it. That's the end of the cleaning. Stay tuned for the next one.